The commercial insurance industry is a very complicated industry. There's multiple parties in the food chain in buying commercial insurance. The CFOs or the risk managers or the treasurers or VP of finances that typically purchase insurance for an organization, 99 times out of 100 didn't go to college for insurance. And they've got a lot of different things on their plate, including accounting and legal and running a company. So insurance is a major purchasing decision. It's very expensive. It can impact the bottom line of the firm if it's not placed properly with the proper carrier, as well as being customized to the unique needs of that particular organization. Each company that you're going to insure has unique needs. So it's really not a one-size-fits all. And so trying to be able to harness that intelligence and bring together the appropriate information based on that opportunity is exactly what a broker is paid to do as a consultant. So you have the internal challenge of getting that information, and then you have the carrier partners. The commercial insurance industry changes very, very often. New endorsements, new programs. Carriers are constantly coming up with innovative solutions based on track records and their history and their claims. And so staying on top of that information and being able to, as a consultant, bring that solution to your customers, once again, based on their needs, makes it extremely challenging. There's so many different combinations of white papers and presentation materials and surveys and benchmark data and collateral and RFPs that, that the broker is challenged to put together. It's challenging to do that through manual brochures, going to hundreds of websites to try to extract that exact information that you need each day. And that's the other major part of what a broker is paid to do, is select the best insurance carrier partner. So you have the internal challenge of getting that information, and then you have the carrier partners. So today, insurance carriers specifically have many budgets set up to be able to enhance their communication, increase their visibility, and heighten their message with their insurance brokers. If an insurance carrier is not able to showcase and make sure that that broker is armed with their unique offerings, everybody loses. The insurance carrier loses by not being able to have that information for the broker to be educated with and showcase to their customer base. The broker loses by not bringing the options to the table that they're supposed to know. And ultimately, the buyer of insurance, the CFO or the risk manager, whoever it might be in that case, is ultimately the real end loser in that scenario, because they may not have the best program with the best pricing and deductibles and structures possible. Other industries that typically share information and are able to acquire information very well are companies that typically don't have that extra brokerage type of environment. If you have a more linear model, getting a singular form of information for your client, for instance, a car dealership. When you have a certain set of automobiles, it's going to be easier to have that information, and it's not going to be changing quite as often. ProspX was started to really enhance and deliver a better communication mechanism across insurance brokers, agencies, and their carrier partners. As a broker is paid to understand and scour through thousands of industry articles as it relates to the type of business they write. The way that ProspX works is it helps take what's very labor-intensive and very manual to understand all the key industry news relevant to that niche or product line, understand the key carrier differentiators from their carrier partners, as well as be able to leverage the best resources and the best expertise across their organization. And that could be the line of business, the type of niche business, and to be able to go through all those different articles and the different publications, it's not even possible. ProspX helps filter and bring, based on profile or the opportunity you're working on, the exact information that you need, both from industry news, from carrier partner intelligence as it fits the type of business you're writing, but also into being able to tap into expertise across your broker organization or partner organization to be able to have that information come right into your email, no login, business as usual, and you're able to see this information, forward it to your customers, and have that tangible touch that demonstrates that you're doing the job that you're paid to do.